Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where you will find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the side, you're going to find further stylish features as it sits on a set of 20-inch 10-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll also notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast amount of boot space. Into the rear, passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats and their own climate control systems, which they can tailor to their own individual preferences. Within the cockpit, you will see your 14-way heated driving memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. And taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, your Pivi Pro touchscreen, finalising our journey at your fixed panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.